So karon na aton challenge, mao na sa disiya ang Tagalog i-translate sa English.
Na. Sa may ilan mga tuig sige wa ko undang klase na balik puno klase.
Oh. Ala, di pa jud mo kay bawo mo English. Okay. So una na. Ha? Tagalog, Englishon. Yeah.
Oo, so wa ko magdadag.
So ang maka-answer automatic 5,000. Yeah. Una, tatay pisot. Gagawin ko.
I'm do it. I do it.
Ansa?
Tawa mo kanon mo. I do it.
I do it. Gagawin ko.
I do it.
Wrong. Usa.
Dayot. Gagawin ko. Gagawin ko.
Kuwang imong I do it.
I do it do.
Wrong. Duha.
Na pala sakto I do it, ma'am.
Ha?
Sakto I do it.
I blank do it.
I napay usa ka words eh.
I blank do it.
I blank do it. I gagawin ko.
Gagawin ko.
I need to do it.
Wrong, tolo. Alam mo koy, gagawin ko.
I walk do it.
Ha?
I walk do it.
O say I walk do it.
Walk.
Wrong. Usa.
I make do it.
Duha.
I work do it.
Tolo.
Walk.
Totong.
Samot.
Gagawin ko.
I do it no. I blank do it. Blank na lang may ansira na. Ito mo, I do it. I blank do it. I do it for you.
Wrong.
Kantam to.
Usa.
Biyan eh. I so do it. I may do it.
Duha.
Gagawin ko. I do it.
Wrong. Tolo. I will do it.
I will do it.
Next. Susubukan ko.
I try it. I will try it.
Ha?
I will try it.
Correct na.
Will na may kuwang ha. Ikaw yung mga daw ba?
5,000.
May kuwang.
Yep.
Will may kuwang.
I will try it. Alimokoy. Aayusin ko.
I will show it.
Ha?
I will show it.
Wrong. Usa. Aayusin ko.
I will clear it.
Duha.
I will repair it.
Tolo.
Ayusin man.
Tolo na. Totong. Aayusin ko.
Ayusin ko.
I
will cleaning do it.
Usa.
Salimpihan. Sakto na I will, ma'am.
I will blank.
Lagi. Ito ko nang
Ow.
1,000 ma'am.
I will blank it.
1,000 ma'am na I will mo katunga ako na ko. Lago na.
Wala. Okay, totong. Usa na lang pud imong imong punan, imong siran. Aayusin ko.
I will do it.
I will
Ayusin.
blank it.
I will so do it.
Wrong.
I will see do it.
Wrong. Tolo. Tatay bisot.
I will
Aayusin ko.
I will settle it.
Usa.
I will settle it. I will settle it. Ayusin ko. I will settle lagi. Settle. I will love you tonight. I will clear it.
Aayusin ko.
I will clear it.
I will clear earth. I-clear niya yung earth. Kaya, birthday na nga sula. Wrong!
I
I
will
will-
cleaning it.
Duha na.
Cleaning it.
I will remove it.
Tolo.
I will cleaning it, ma'am.
Fix.
Fix.
Ah. I will fix it. Oh, next, alam mo koy. Kakayanin ko.
I will.
Wrong ng I will.
Hindi di ay.
Wrong ang will. O I. Kakayanin ko.
Ay cloud. Ay cloud.
I will. I will be. See you.
Wrong.
I will be you me.
Wrong.
I will see you me.
Wrong. Talo. Totong.
Kakayanin ko.
Kakayanin ko.
Ngayon naging
Pwede I ang una, pwede I'll. Pod.
I'll.
Ah.
Ay, kakayanin ko. I crazy me.
Ah.
I crazy.
Wrong. Usa.
Ha? Hindi di ay. I'll. Kakayanin ko.
Mm. Pwede I una, pwede I'll pod.
I'll. I'll me.
Ha?
Kakayanin. I'll me.
Wrong. Duha.
I kill me.
Tolo. Oh, tatay bisot.
Kakayanin ko.
Oh. Pwede I una, pwede I'll.
I'll try it.
Usa.
Kakayanin ko.
I'll do it.
Duha.
Dama igit.
I'll
Dama igit utot.
I'll do it lagi. Oh,
I do it for you. I do it me.
I work it.
Ha?
I work it.
Wrong.
Sorry.
Tolo. Pwede siya I can handle it or I'll manage it. Ah. Yeah, alam mo koy. So last. Hindi ko napaghandaan. Hindi ko napaghandaan.
I'm not comedy.
Ha?
I'm not comedy.
Dili bitaw ka komedi. Usa.
Kasi pangirkir lumot na. Kagin. I'm not the kurikong me.
Hindi ko napaghandaan. Mm.
I'm not read me.
Ha?
I'm not read me.
Duha.
Ready.
Cellphone ang read me.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready me. I'm not ready me.
Unsa?
I'm not ready.
Wrong. Tolo.
Hindi ko napaghandaan.
Oh, hindi ko napaghandaan.
Hindi ko napaghandaan.
Mm.
I'm not.
Wrong lang, I'm not.
Sa intro ni ma'am.
Ay ang una.
I ready tomorrow.
Aro. Usa.
Oo ma'am, kaya umapa mo siya ready ma'am.
I
will ma'am, muna ma'am.
Dili.
Sorry.
I wasn't. Oh.
I wasn't
Hmm.
to smuggle me.
Wrong.
I wasn't
I wasn't.
to cleaning me.
Wrong.
Wag yan ngayon, mabugo.
Tolo. Tatay.
I wasn't prepared it.
Ha?
I wasn't prepared it.
I wasn't prepared.
Prepared it. Or this.
I wasn't prepared it.
Oh.
Kuwang. I wasn't prepared blank it.
Unasan.
Ah.
I wasn't prepared. Lasang it.
Ah. I wasn't prepared blank it.
Oh. What may was in the one.
Ah.
I wasn't prepared do it.
Wrong.
I wasn't prepared
Ah.
from it.
Wrong. Duha.
I wasn't prepared. Saan lang ka word?
Oh.
I wasn't prepared. Hindi ko na paghandaan. I wasn't prepared of this, of it.
Of it.
Ah.
Wrong.
I
Oh,
wasn't
kisa.
prepared.
Ah.
This
Okay.
it.
Ha?
This it.
Wrong.
I wasn't.
Ah.
It.
Sa dinali. Sa dinali.
I wasn't maga.
I wasn't.
I wasn't. It.
Pre. Preet. I wasn't preet ko.
I wasn't prepared for it.
Ha?
I wasn't prepared for it.
Correct! 5,000 pesos.
I wasn't mo.